Jerry is on her way to give a presentation. I've been given the responsibility to pump you guys up. I've got my coffee here for Wednesday, day 3 of Pathfinders summer training with Hiya Labs. First we code, then we soar. So we have to do our... Wait, what did I hear? Oh, she's here!
You're good at that!
So maybe we do our thumbs together. How is everybody doing? We're gonna make sure we get those thumbs up like this today, and it's gonna be great. Take it away, Jill.
Give us a picture or text of your favorite book, show, movie, series.
Get happy. Get Geico.
What does our agenda look like for today?
Start in mission 2. Completed mission 2, so now we are to mission 3. And the one thing I ever heard him say was, Python is all about the colon. I'm like, oh dear God.
What we call a code bot. Oh, it's a different picture of the dog.
This is when he was at my house.
That's the reason why, us millennials can't do that kind of thing. We're going to press on with flight safety.
Physical devices in the classroom.
You ready to do some more coding? Okay. Talking a little bit about neural networks.
So if we're all still here, how was our day today? Thumbs up, middle, down. All right, bye everybody. I see you're all disappearing on me. That's great. Have a good day. See you tomorrow.
And I'll see you at the end of the day. Happy coding.
Woohoo! It's pretty awesome.